What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California with my software business. We just officially launched, and I just received this notification. Another $200 commission just came through straight to my account. So I'm about to go ahead and activate them. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, receive. That was 13 minutes ago. So I'm going to activate them, and I want to talk about what my software business is and what it is. It's based on 100% commissions, meaning that you get to promote the software that's already included. Okay, for those details to understand exactly what you're going to get access to, make sure that you go ahead and click on the link below. Go to digitalprofitsmarketing.com and take a look at all the full details and see how you can get started with my team. Awesome thing is that there are no monthly fees with this opportunity, right? If you want to earn residual income, that is completely optional. But right now we're focusing on the unlimited $200 payments that you have the ability to earn. Okay. Awesome thing is that the company gives you your own phone number. Okay. If you can share a phone number, you can start earning $200 per commission. Okay. Really cool thing is that you have your own virtual assistant helping you close your sales. A lot of people, are going on Google, on YouTube. You're here because you want to learn how you can create income without having to be, stuck at a 9-to-5 job. You're here because you want to create time freedom. And that's exactly what this business opportunity is allowing my team and I to have time freedom. I was actually just, we went out to a winery yesterday celebrating my sister's birthday. We had an amazing time, hanging out. I'm just going to show you here real quick, really quick. It was super fun. And as you can see right here, I'm going to play it so you can see it. But I was at a winery celebrating my sister's birthday, and I received another $200 notification while I was doing that. I'll show you. Awesome. So, that's the beautiful thing about having, time freedom, that you get to, decide what you do. You get to decide what you want to do. You can be out and about, and you can have a business that is running for you 24/7, right? And that's what time freedom, that's what a business opportunity allows you to have. And so I want to, also explain that imagine having your own virtual assistant helping you close your sales, helping you with the process of closing your sales when your prospects ask for information, or they call the phone number, or they text the phone number. You have your virtual assistant helping you close that $200 sale. Okay. And again, you earn $200 per commission, and then you get access to 12 softwares that you can promote and earn 100% commission from. Okay. Again, if you want to take a look at those full details, make sure that you click on the link below and get the full details on my direct website. And really awesome thing, right? Because it's all about being able to duplicate, giving your team a blueprint that will help them, duplicate your strategies that you're doing. Okay, what's working for me, I'm going to share it with you. Okay, the strategies that I use, I'm going to share that with you inside of my 6K personal bonus training. Okay, it does not come included with my software business. This is my personal bonus training where I show you what has allowed me to, be out and about, and allows me to make $200 per commission. Okay. Awesome thing is that also you're going to be added to my coaching group, where I'm going to have live coaching sessions as well. So there's a ton of value here being provided. So if you want to start your own software business, become a part of this opportunity, and share your phone number to start growing a team, get access to my bonus training, get access to my live coaching sessions, so I can show you exactly what has worked for me, what is working for my team to build, blow up this business opportunity. Anyways, take action. If you have any questions, feel free to message me directly on Facebook. Okay, you can simply reach out to me and I'll be there answering any question that you might have. But my software business, we are just getting started, and take action, and I'll see you at the top.